My journey as a beauty creator started as just an idea that popped into my head one day while sitting in my university class. I was suddenly inspired to create beauty content and to share my artistic talent with the world in some way. After I dropped out of university to become a full-time content creator, I found a new passion in traveling to new locations. And here is where I would brainstorm new ideas and creative makeup looks, and travel was always inspiring to me. After months of searching for new opportunities to grow, I stumbled across an email I received from Glam Masters, a new beauty competition TV series executive produced by Kim Kardashian West. Shortly after, I traveled to the sunny state of Los Angeles to film the TV series, and here began my new journey. After returning home from filming Glam Masters, I landed in the top 3 of the entire competition, which completely changed my life. Here is a recreation video of my viral diamond skull, the most iconic piece of work that I've ever done. Taking the leap of faith in my journey to become a beauty creator paid off tremendously. I was born to be a content creator.